Newest property na malapit sa Manila at airport, single attached, modern house, no spot down payment at pwede pa sa Pag-ibig financing. At kung non-Pag-ibig member, available din ito sa bank financing. Kaya naman kung interested ka, don't skip this video. This is Pao Pipito, your home search buddy. Nasa loob nga lang naman ito ng isang exclusive subdivision na accessible sa lahat dahil few minutes drive lang ito sa Central Business District ng Cavite na mayroong resort-style amenities, hospital, schools, market, malls, worship area at marami pang iba. Minimum lot size is 80 square meters kaya naman may provision tayo for 1 to 2 carport. At then may extra lot tayo sa side, back at front. Pwede natin itong gamitin for home expansion. Complete finish kaya naman livable na to upon turnover. Ang floor area natin dito ay 76 square meters kaya naman mayroon tayong spacious na living, dining at kitchen area. May mataas na ceiling at malalawak na sliding windows for proper ventilation at para makapasok ang natural light. Total of 3 bedrooms at 2 toilet and bath at ang estimated monthly amortization nito sa Pag-ibig ay 28,000 only at monthly down payment na 41,000 for 18 months. Kaya naman wag mo nang patagalin dahil super sulit nga ng property nito dahil nasa introductory price pa lang tayo at limited slots na lang ang available guys. Kaya naman send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So bye-bye!